Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make bantan noodle soup, guys. Bantan noodle soup is very easy. I love this. Is my favorite noodle, bantan noodle soup. So this is only um 3.99 this pack. So I have this noodle. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make this. Today I'm gonna make beef bantan noodle soup. Okay, I have first I have noodle, bean sprout, watercress, lime, and spring onion and beef. So let's go start it. It's very easy. This is quick fix of the noodle. Okay, first I have to boil the noodle first. Boil the water first. So I'm gonna cook the noodle first. So that waiting for this water boiling so we can come started. Okay. Okay, let me boil the noodle. All right, let's go boil for 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes only. Okay, right there, and then you stir right away. Don't let them get stick together. Okay, 2 minutes already done. Turn it off. Then clean it up. Now just 2 minutes cooking only. Don't cook too long. So I don't want this noodle overcooked. Clean up just like that. Clean about 3 times, so it's done right here. All right, this noodle ready to go. Let's go start the soup. Okay, I'm gonna use spring water 16 now. Okay, I'm gonna go more than 16 now because I like soupy. Okay, that's how you do it. Start. This is quick fix noodle soup. Okay, so easy. When you come home late night, that's how you do it. Okay, quick fix noodle soup. I'm gonna have chicken broth powder. Just put one spoon chicken broth powder, guys. Okay. All right, and soup paste right here. Soup paste. They say for PXO. Okay. Always use soup paste. About this much, like 1 spoon. Okay. This is sugar. I'm gonna put a half spoon sugar. Okay. And I'm gonna put 1 fish sauce. That's fish sauce. 1 spoon first. 2 spoons. Okay. Okay, this is quick fix noodle. I just clean up, done. I'm gonna go ahead and put the bean sprout. Very easy. Put the beans on the side. Love bean sprout. Okay, on the side, just like that. Waiting for the soup boiling. Right now I'm waiting for soup boiling. Everything just right here ready to go. Okay, when the soup already boiling, I love this watercress right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put this watercress first. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put this beef down here. Put the beef in here, and I turn off right away. I don't want my beef cooking so long. Okay, that's done right there, guys. The soup. Now the noodle I already prepared, ready to go. There you go. So simple, very easy, guys. Look at this. Then put everything in here. The beef medium cook. I don't want overcook. Just like that. Very easy and tastes good. Okay, just like that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze this lime right here. Gonna go ahead and put spring onion. Yum, guys. Very easy, quick fix. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and put garlic. When you make noodle soup, don't forget fried garlic. So this is the best right here. I love fried garlic, and have hot garlic, hot pepper. I make on my own. It's very easy to make. Just put a little bit. I don't want too spicy. If you want too spicy, always have spicy. Just a little bit topping right there. There you have it. There you have it, guys. Easy, simple, quick fix noodle soup. You know, this is 11 o'clock. Look at the time, guys. 11:30. That's how I make a quick fix right now. I just want to eat a simple food and easy to digest. Okay, there you have it. It's easy, simple, quick fix noodle soup, guys. Very easy. Okay, so you can have that. Okay, you can make like the way I make, so easy and delicious. Try it late night like that. You don't feel guilty. Okay, come on, eat with me. All right, bye. See you later.